Hi everyone, this is my home page for English 2210 portfolio. On the home page I have personal statement. If you want to go to personal statement, you click on it. It will take you to the personal statement. And then the other thing I have resume. If you click on it, you will go to resume. For now it does not have anything. And then finally the reflection memo. The second tabs that I have projects. I have project 1. If you click on it, you go to my project 1, project 2, and then finally project 3. I also have a tab for my SLOs, as you can see, from project planning, analysis, content development, all the way to the end. And this is just the draft of what I have. I will keep adding content as the year progresses. Thank you very much. I hope you will navigate my website for the portfolio and also get to see what I put in it. Thank you for now. Bye.